10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, down, no? Inay. Okay, that was the partial tear, no? This ay ang right out tanawaron karon, no? Again, so see, again, na 90 degrees na niya. Then, apa gino, last one, wait 10 seconds hold, piko. Okay, good again. Panikamot gino, nga man 90 pagid. Kana, good. Here, NBA, prepare. Kana. Okay, good. Good. This is for your NBA and football player. Okay, this is our 8 treatment sessions. Okay, iya paging pick no. No, then straight no, nahinay, down and down and down and down and down. Okay, good. No, straight ang knee, then 20 seconds hold. Okay, straight the knee, 20 seconds hold. The last one, yeah. Okay, here, palito dyan. Okay, straight the knee, 20 seconds hold. Okay. For the gluteal muscles, no. The lower back, straight the knee, then up, 20 seconds hold. Okay, good. 1. Turn now.
3, 4,
6,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
okay, good.
13, 14, 15,
Kita ka kurog no, buwas siya gasolina.
18, 19, 20.
Okay, good down. Again, so then follow that one in the basketball court, yeah. Again, follow that one basketball court. So tomorrow 180, 105 degrees, no. Again, mo na to kuha na to sa normal. I'm really sorry sakit, but ayo po ka. So si gano, baka 90 degrees na siya. There you are, no. Again, tibangon diri nang isa 2 kilograms, no. Again, ibutangan na to, istura na to. There you are, sakit no, but ayo ta, no. So sayang, no. Sayang siya. There. Then follow it around tao, no. Ato mis basketball court, by which the plyometric. So here, do the massage. Straight the body, straight na. Then, mula gino, kaya kinipatila. So here, basta din na namumove, peligro no, ning gahi na siya, bawit sakit-sakit sa kanika kano, tas aral sakit, but ayo dahil siya no, kaya because na-prepare naman nato, na siya katong stress machine for the millennium. There you are, nga mo tayo maghatap ng blood, ani sa ECL, no? Until you push with the muscles, the tendons, and the joints, no? And then restore the gasoline. Okay? So follow this one kung tataod. This is our 8 treatment sessions. January 3, by which lagi moduwa ni siya on 7 basketball na, no? Then lugan tadi the proper jogging tanawaron yang dinaganan o diferensya ba, no? Here. Again, thank you and good afternoon.